Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Ram's 2009 to 2024 1500 pickup.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall the bed mount bolts and lift the bed. Remove the bed mount bushings. Uninstall and remove the fuel tank and any fuel lines near the rear of the vehicle. Step 3. Remove the track bar crossmember by cutting along the base of the part where it welds to the frame rails and track bar mount. Make a cut in the center of the crossmember to make removal easier. Step 4. Remove any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area. Align the replacement crossmember on the frame rails using the factory parts silhouette. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Be sure to weld the spare tire support to the crossmember as well. Step 5. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall the fuel tank and fuel lines, then reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.